Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find free themes on your Shopify store. So as you can see here, I'm on Shopify, guys. And if you're on Shopify, let's say you're on the home page or wherever, you can easily go ahead and find free themes for your shop. So how do you find it? Once you're in Shopify, you want to go ahead and click where it says online store on the left, and it will expand and it will show you themes, right? This is one way how to actually access themes, or you can easily access that from your home page as well. It's going to take you to the same path. And on this page, you will also see the section where it shows design your store and it says browse pre-designed themes. So you can click on that and it will take you to the same path or the place where you can find themes. Now, on this section, what it's going to do is just show you your current theme and you can customize it and do all of those good stuff. But if you scroll down, you have the theme library, and this is only showing themes that are installed on your Shopify account or on your Shopify store, and not the one that is published, but the one that is installed. So you will see that I have two themes here that are installed that I can quickly publish. Right, I can always go ahead and click the three dots and remove them if I want to, or edit or whatever it is. And if you want to see free theme now, and from here, you can also go down here and you can do design. So this is also a free option because you can use AI to generate the theme. And this is also considered as a free theme. So you can say whatever it is, sports shop or whatever, I can go ahead. So if I want to do that, which I'm showing you in a future video, how to use the AI to design themes for your shop, you can do that. Now, so scroll down, you also have the popular themes. And if you also scroll down a bit more, you have the theme store. So to find more of those free themes, visit the theme store of Shopify here. And here on the left hand side, you will see browse themes. And guess what, guys? You have a section called free. There are 24 free themes. So you will see a mixture right here. So just go ahead and click on this checkbox to select the free ones to just filter out all the free themes. And so you can go ahead and find themes that you may like and you can select something, right? So that's it. That's how you go ahead and find the free themes on Shopify. All you have to do once you find a theme that you like, select that theme and it will show you where you have it. You can see the demo. You can click, and let me just go ahead and click on OK. You will see the demo. And of course, you can go ahead and add this to your store, right? You can say try by simply clicking in to try it or view the demo to see what it will look like and so forth. And of course, you can easily go ahead and add and install this to your shop. Very easy. And that's it. So you may be wondering, okay, how do I install this to my store? It's super easy. Click and try the theme right here. And you will see that it's currently adding. And so it's currently being added to my shop. As you can see right here, it's currently installing. Because right now you can see my current theme is a Savoir. But here you will see, and I'm going to show you what my current theme looks like. And just before I basically publish this one. So let me show you my current store. So if I click and view my online store, you will see what this current theme looks like. So this is the current theme. And if I go back now to my Shopify, I think it's this one here, yes, I can go ahead and I can publish this new theme. So now I install it, I can simply click on publish, and this is a quick add, and as you can see, it's now with the right. So if I go back to this page, I can just quickly do a refresh and you will see that it is changed, right? You can go ahead and you can basically see the difference. I think this is the same one, by the way. So let me just go ahead and close out of there. And here you will be able to basically, let me just refresh because this is a new design just to ensure everything is well set. And this is the current theme. And now I'm going to go ahead and just view my store. So I'm going to click on this. And here is the current theme. So that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and find the free themes. That's how you go ahead and install those themes on your store if you want to install any one of them that you find that you may like. And as I said in a future video, I'll be making how to use the AI to create some stunning themes for your Shopify store. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below. Say that you want to find it. And of course, when I see these comments, if the video is already made and out, I'll definitely reply to you, sharing with you those videos so that you don't have to go through the playlist directly. So I'm always checking the comments. So let me know in the comments below if you want to see how to use AI to create those free themes. And of course, once I see those comments, if the video is already published, I will definitely reply to you and share that so that you can easily find that video. With that said, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.